And we're back with the hiccups. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear the
I know, they're
hiccups.
really quiet.
Oh.
Yeah.